How to confirm or verify your email on PayPal. Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I'm going to guide you step by step that how you can confirm your email on PayPal. So to begin with, you need to open the PayPal application on your device. So guys, once you open the application on the home tab, all you need to do is to go to your profile. Once you tap on the icon of your profile, it will bring you here. And just below here, as you can see, it is complete your profile and I have to confirm my email. All you need to do is to tap on the confirm option. Once you tap on the confirm option, they will want me to scan my finger first, and they have sent a code to my email address. All I need to do is to go to my email address and get that code and paste it here. So guys, as you can see, I received this code. All I have to do is to copy that one, go back to PayPal, and I will paste it here and then tap on confirm. So once you tap on confirm, as you can see, now it is loading and they say your email is good to go. So guys, now if I go to my personal info on my profile here, as you can see, now my email has been confirmed. So guys, this is how you can confirm or verify your email on PayPal. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.